Big breaking news updates from Tamil Nadu. In a move reflecting ongoing tensions between the Tamil Nadu state government and the centre, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin's administration has replaced the traditional Indian rupee symbol with the Tamil alphabet in promotional materials for the 2025 state budget. This change is evident in the official logo for the state's 2025-26 budget, unveiled by Stalin ahead of the budget presentation scheduled for Friday. The decision comes amid disputes over language policies and perceived neglect of Tamil Nadu in central allocations. The ruling DMK government has been vocal against the centre's three-language policy proposed in the National Education Policy (NEP) 2020, advocating for the preservation and promotion of the Tamil language. Additionally, Chief Minister Stalin has criticized the Union Budget 2025-26 for overlooking Tamil Nadu's developmental needs, labeling it as biased and accusing the centre of favouring BJP-ruled and election-bound states. The substitution of the rupee symbol has drawn sharp criticism from opposition parties. BJP Tamil Nadu President K. Annamalai condemned the move as stupid, highlighting that the original rupee symbol was designed by Udaya Kumar, a Tamiliya and son of a former DMK MLA. He expressed his disapproval on social media, questioning the rationale behind replacing a nationally recognized symbol created by a fellow Tamiliya. Similarly, BJP leader Tamilisai Soundararajan criticized the DMK government's decision, asserting that national symbols should be respected within a federal setup. She accused the state government of dramatizing the issue to divert attention from its administrative shortcomings, emphasizing that while support for Tamil symbols and language is important, it should not come at the expense of national unity. This symbolic alteration in the budget materials underscores the escalating friction between the Tamil Nadu government and the centre, reflecting deeper issues of linguistic pride, federal relations, and regional identity.